Okay, this is the scene it's set for the next don't know how many days, but we're excited. We're well protected there from the wind unless it gets really bad. The tide came up. It was very high tide tonight. It's the biggest tide of the week or this cycle. So this is the tide line here, and we're here, so we'll be fine. So it has taken us 40 minutes to get to this stage, and it's done. Now we're just fluffing around, getting our fishing gear ready. But I think we can get that down to probably 30 once we're...
Oh, no panic though.
Yeah.
Didn't even have a beer in my hand.
Yeah. So great success. We're going that way.
How's that for noob? Dragging the boat down, left the anchor out. And it's, I don't know what was so hard to get through this boggy section. Anyway. Novice, yeah. Fish on the new boat. Oh.
That's a big bar tab.
Yeah. Got a fish. What do we got?
Little...
It's a big one. Get it in the boat.
Wait, excuse me.
Get yourself some more line. That looks sized. Check his length.
He's 30. Or maybe.
Alright.
King George.
King George Whiting. Very nice, Shazza. Shaz is killing it. I haven't even had a chance to get my line in the water. So you just want to check his size.
Ow!
Alright, he is.
Yep.
Sized. Okay.
He's a good one. He's not as big as the other one, but good. So we had a pretty good, successful hour and a half out there in the boat. We got some nice whiting. And what are you cleaning up there, Carl?
These are herring, but they call them Tommy Ruffs here in South Australia. Tommy Ruffs, so they're only small, but you get enough of them, just do butterfly fillets dinner. All right, well, okay. Well, that is looking pretty good.
Celebrating our little first voyage in the boat and catching fish successfully.
So we've got some crabs left over from yesterday. Well, actually, we haven't eaten them yet. They were from yesterday to eat today. Has knocked up a salad. And some King George whiting in the pan with a bit of oil and flour. And the location is just amazing. We've got this beautiful creek, crystal clear water in the creek. We've got white sand, and it's free camping all morning. It's day one on our creekside campsite. It's magnificent. We're out of the wind. I don't think there's any wind at the moment anyway. Just having cups of coffee, cups of tea, and we're going to do a bit of a walk up the beach. We're going to head up to tops of the dunes up there, see what sort of a view we can get, and come back, have breakfast, and then we're going to go fishing. See if we can do it all again. Running around like we're 10-year-olds in the sand dunes.
Bet you that one.
Yeah. Yeah, probably 2 runs and I'd be done. There you go. It's hard in here. Hard then soft then hard. It's a recce.
Spaghetti jaffle, like spaghetti bowl jaffle.
This is like the spaghetti bowl jaffle. Yep.
Not a canned spaghetti, like
Leftover spaghetti. Beautiful day here. We just got the boat ready. We're just going to have a quick snack, and we're going to hit the water. Get the true kid out on the. We had a few hints from some locals yesterday. Pretty much what we're doing, but maybe a bit more direction where to go. So we're going to have a go at that and try to catch some squid, which they recommend is the optimum bait for whiting. So yeah, pretty good out here. So it's just almost coming to the bottom of the tide. 10 o'clock low tide. It's about 9:30 now, so we're going to get out there, get amongst them. How's this? Bloody, got to be careful of the weed banks. We're just flying along full revs, piled it into this floating weed bank. I mean, there's more of it. Oh, I'll drop the anchor. Let's have a fish here. So we just hit one of these floating weed banks, which are, I suppose, all around the place, but wasn't watching close enough. There's one behind us. And it just stopped us dead in our tracks. You just lost total forward.
Fish there, look.
Yep. She has a spotted fish, so we're going to take that as an omen and fish right here.
And I'll tuck the crab pots over there. There's
sounds good.
Weed.
Righto. On the first spot. Let's see how we go. Yeah, we'll get a load of that mess. Crikey. It's on there tight. It's totally clogged up when I put it reverse and it just stalled the engine straight up. Jeez. All right, we're clean. All right, so Shaz has got a combination of squid that we caught off the jetty in Seduna and cockles, which we bought from the bait shop, and we haven't worked out which is the most.
I think the cockles is definitely more effective, but the squid stays on longer.
Yeah, right.
So
Yeah, cockles are a pain in the ass to keep falling off.
I do a little cockle and then I put squid on the end.
Oh yeah.
So I have to work a bit harder to get it off.
That's the go. So we're doing something a bit different. We might pay the price. We're putting crab pots in because every day we've come out here while we've been fishing, we've seen crabs under the boat.
And we've caught them on our bait.
Yeah, and we're pulling them in on our baits. But so this time we've got special and we put our crab pots out while we're fishing. So yeah, recipe for disaster. Let's wait and see what happens. It's catching a lot of weed on the...
Far out. Here's a big one.
You got a crab.
That worked.
All right, so fishing crabbing idea seems to work. We haven't caught fish yet, but we've certainly got a crab.
And I could see that it was in the pot.
Just under
That's
the
why I
boat.
pulled it.
Yeah, no need to measure this guy. He is definitely sized. He's a good one. Get a few more of them. Wrangle this crab one-handed. There we go. There it is.
How's that wave from that boat behind us?
Yeah, so he's sized. No doubt about it.
About a doubt it. Nice go.
All right, more of them, please. Oh, crab number 2 and the lucky pot.
This pot's got 2 so far.
Check his size.
That one's too small.
Too small. Right, he goes back.
He's gone back, mate. I'll leave him in there because he might attract
So you're allowed
a bigger one.
to have 11 centimetres on the blue crab and 10 centimetres on the sand crab. I don't know what a sand crab is. You have to catch one and find out.
I think there's a sand one in this one.
Pull it up. Let's have a look at him.
I don't know what it is, but it's a crab. See? Yep. There's a little bluey.
There's a little blue in that one as well. It's undersized. Oh, no. That one might be sized. That's a female.
Yeah.
First female we've caught since we've been here.
Oh, yes. You can see it's a female because it's got stripes on the bum.
And the big carapace, yeah. How's that size?
I don't really want to eat a female though.
You let it go if you don't want it.
Nah, she's under.
And size. Alright, there you go. See you later, mate. Go away. Not coming back. Look at the size of that one. That is a horse. I suppose I don't know how big they get, but that is a good size.
It's like same width as the esky, so that'd be about 38 centimetres.
Oh, yeah, I suppose they get bigger. All right, in the esky. So this is our nemesis. I don't know if you can see him very clearly, but that's a stingray, and he has just come in and hovered over our crab pot, so he's scaring any crabs away.
He's circling it, but there's not.
He's just circling the pot.
That is.
There
He's
he is.
over at the other one now.
So this guy, I've lost 2 rigs to these guys. Really got to be on the ball because they just come around and they just go you. Go your baits.
Small one though.
Got a whiting? Oh, that's undersized whiting. So we moved to this spot, which is on the opposite bank of the creek, and we've got the water sort of flowing off the flats as the tide's coming in. So it seems to be a bit of a congregation of fish here, but I'm not sure what that stingray is going to do for the fishing. It's definitely not going to do anything for the crabbing. There he is. He's still circling our crab pot. Jump in and chew him off, Shaz.
I'll wrangle him.
And give him a big fright. Yeah. All right. Look at this one that Shaz just pulled in. That's a stonker. She had a double header.
The little one got caught up in the crab pot line.
Double header. So this one's caught up with the other one
Proper chaos.
and went through the crab pot line. But we got the big one on board, which is sensational. So that's good size. We need some more of them. Shaz has done it again. The size of this thing. Wait. So they call it shorts Tommy Rough, or I suppose what else is there? What's the other name? Herring. Australian herring or size. Great success.
Good day. It's Carl down here with all of his friends. Got all your friends there?
Got all me mates.
You got a lot of friends.
Yeah. So these are the whiting we're catching. They're pretty good. I just scale them. I'm not going to worry about filling them. There's too much. They're too fiddly when they're this size to fill it. I just take the scales off them. So just let it rinse, and that'll be beautiful pan fried.
Alright, I'm going up to cook lunch. 4 days, so we've been frothing this campsite. It's been amazing. So, and the seal, the resident seal that lives here actually came out of the water this morning and showed her or his head. That was a real treat.